LightPDF is a versatile online platform designed to make document conversion and editing simple and efficient. The interface is clean and user-friendly, allowing users to access all essential tools from a single dashboard. Whether you're looking to convert PDFs to Word, Excel, or even image files, LightPDF supports a wide range of formats, making it an attractive option for both personal and professional use. The platform also offers OCR technology, which is especially useful for extracting text from scanned documents and images. This feature works surprisingly well for basic tasks, but struggles a bit with complex layouts and non-standard fonts. LightPDF provides tools to split, merge, and compress PDFs, making it a comprehensive solution for handling various document tasks. When it comes to editing PDFs directly, the experience is straightforward, but somewhat limited compared to dedicated desktop software. You can add text, highlight, and draw on documents, but more advanced editing options are missing. The free version offers a decent range of functionalities, but several premium features are locked behind a paywall, which might be frustrating for some users. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. DocuClipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. LightPDF's conversion accuracy is mostly reliable, but certain formatting aspects can be lost during the process, especially with complex files containing tables or unique fonts. The upload and download speeds are quick, and the service doesn't require you to register, which is a huge plus for those who prioritize convenience. Security-wise, LightPDF claims to delete files from their servers after a short period, but there's always a level of caution required when uploading sensitive documents online. If privacy is your top concern, LightPDF might not be the ideal choice. Overall, LightPDF is a powerful online tool for basic to intermediate document handling. It shines in its simplicity and variety of conversion options, but the limitations of the free version and occasional inaccuracies in complex conversions may be off-putting to some. If you need quick and straightforward file conversions, LightPDF is worth trying. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials.